What's up, Smell Good Squad? I hope you're doing well today. Man, today I got a treat for you, man. We got two fragrances that we got off the TikTok shop that's been getting a lot of buzz all over these YouTube streets, man. So I wanted to get them in and check them out. And you already know what that means. We got to see if it's hype. All right, so the two fragrances we got in Armaf's Odyssey Mandarin Sky, and we got Lattafa's Jasoor. So man, we're gonna get into it right after the intro. Man, what's up? It's your Smell Good partner D, back again with another video for your head top. And man, y'all already know what time it is, man. It's a hype or alright type of day, man. So we got two fragrances that we're gonna be checking out, man. And like I said, man, these two came off the TikTok shop and they've been definitely getting a lot of buzz everywhere. So without further ado, man, we're gonna get into the first one, man. We got that Armaf Odyssey Mandarin Sky, man. Bust open the box. Let's see what it's working with. And man, I got this one right here on sale. I don't know if it's still on sale on TikTok right now, but I got it for $8, man. And you definitely can't beat $8. So we got that. Alright, so we got that turquoise and that orange presentation. Man, this thing looks like a little thermos for sure. We got the official sticker on the bottom, and like I said, man, not too much with this one. But hey, it's not always about the presentation, it's about that juice, man. So let me get a test strip and let's see what it's talking about. Being clumsy. Alright, man, so let's get into it. That Armaf's Mandarin Sky. Alright, so the atomizer is pretty decent atomizer. Nice wide distribution. Alright. So right off top, man, just in the air, man, I'm getting a lot of that Jean Paul-esque DNA feel. And this one definitely smells like what it's trying to clone, man. It is cloning Jean Paul's Scandal. So man, that's one of those ones a lot of people don't really talk about, but that Jean Paul Scandal, man. Whew. This is definitely pressure. Definitely about to bust pipes with this one. Yeah, that smells really good, man. Definitely bright at the top. And then as it kind of comes into that mid, it gets a little bit warmer. Definitely can see this as like a grab and go type of fragrance. I think you could wear this one all year round. Alright, so let's bust into the notes and see what the notes are. Alright, so we have mandarin orange, we got grapefruit, we got amber, we got musk, and some woody notes. Yeah, this one right here, it definitely opens up brightly off of that citrus and that mandarin. And then as like that musk and that amber kind of come out to play, you get like a little warmthness. That is definitely nice, man. So I think this one right here, this is definitely all right, man. Definitely all right. I don't think they overhyped this one. Now, I'm gonna have to get me a decant or either go to the mall and smell the original Scandal to see how close it is. But yeah, this right here, this is good, man. All right, so like I said, man, we definitely not mad at this one. We're gonna give it a all right. Alright, so like I said, man, we definitely not mad at this one. We're gonna give it an alright because like I said, man, that mandarin and that grapefruit at the top, it comes out and it grabs you and then it kind of pulls you in to get a whiff of like that musk and that amber, man. And once those woody notes come out, it just all blends together so well, man. Very, very nice, man. So Armaf, y'all did it again, man. Y'all did it again. That's that Odyssey Mandarin Sky. Alright, man, so that Odyssey line, man, they got a lot of different flankers, so I'm gonna have to check them out, man, since this one was so good. Yeah, definitely not mad at that one. Alright, so that was our first fragrance, and it definitely gets our approval. So we're gonna jump into the second one, and we're gonna see what it's talking about. Yo, I know we're in the middle of the video, but man, I need you to do me a favor. I want you guys to join the Smell Good Squad. I need you guys to hit that subscribe and hit that notification bell, so that way you can stay updated with all our videos, man. We're gonna be coming with layering hacks and all type of fragrance tips and reviews for your head top. So man, I need you guys to go ahead and do those two things for me, and then also like the post, and I want you guys to comment below squad. Without further ado, back to the video. So we got our next fragrance, no other than that Lattafa Jasoor, man. So we're gonna get into it, man. We're gonna go ahead and get that unboxing popping. And Lattafa, man, Lattafa always comes with a very nice presentation. All right, and that's how it comes, man. You got your bottle sitting down in that thing nice and snug, and then you pull that boy on out. Woo! Definitely was tight in that thing. Alright, so we got that Lattafa Jasoor, man. This is definitely different, a different bottle design, man. Look at that cap. Big old cap. And on that cap, man, we got a lot of different words, man. We got bold, brave, fearless, destiny, adventure, daring. All right, man. So hopefully those words describe this fragrance. Hopefully this is a very good fragrance. Alright, so they say this one is a dupe for Valentino's Born in Roma Intense, man. So we're going to be the judge of that. Because I smelled a lot of Born in Roma, definitely the Intense. And yeah, we're going to see how close this one is. So let's get a couple of sprays. Alright, decent atomizer. And in the air, there he is. There he is, man. Woo-wee. Definitely getting that Valentino DNA feel, man. Lattafa, come on now, Lattafa. How's y'all doing this, man? Y'all is y'all is clowning, man, on these designers and these niche brands, man. When I say the closeness of this is like 90% close, not if 95% close. Like, this definitely smells like the original. This is gonna definitely put you in the ballpark of that DNA, man. Man. This should be illegal. That's how good this is, man. Wow, man. I think you don't even need to go out and get the actual Valentino, man, unless you just really want the original. That's how good this is. Or if you got the original and you want to save your juice, man, get this right here as a bag up bottle, man, because whoo, this is fire. I'm definitely getting like that lavender. I'm definitely feel like I'm getting like some aquaticness that's coming through. Very, very nice, man. Let's see if we can jump into the notes. Alright, so we got some lavender, some black pepper, some tonka bean, some amber, some woody nuances, and then some aquatic notes. Man, this thing definitely smells fire. I think this is something that's like a super versatile scent, day or night, year round, dumb reach worthy, man. So what are we rating Lattafa Jasoor, man? Is it going to get that hype or alright, man? And I'm definitely coming with an alright on this one, man. I think this is a safe blind buy. And man, this one right here, you're definitely going to be happy with it, man, because like I said, this is a year-round scent. Anytime, any occasion, this works, man. And it smells amazing. Like, it's definitely 90 to 95% 95% close to the original Valentino Intense. And man, you definitely not gonna beat the price, man. You probably gonna spend over $100 to get the actual Valentino, unless you're getting it off like a discounter, which you can get it for cheaper. But man, you can't beat this for 30 bucks and you're getting the same exact scent, man. I'm telling you, man, it is unbelievable. So definitely check it out, man. Put your nose on these. Alright, man, so today's video went pretty well. Hype to alright, man, and we got 2 alrights on the table, man. So I definitely want you guys to go ahead and check these 2 scents out. Like I said, man, this is that Armaf Mandarin Sky, that Odyssey Mandarin Sky, and that Lattafa Jasoor, man. 2 bangers for your head top. But anyway, this has been the Layered by Scentz channel, where we elevate your presence 1 spray at a time. So man, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. Man, it's your boy D. You know we keeping you fresh, flying confident all 2025 and beyond. I want you guys to know that I appreciate you guys watching the video, and until next time, peace.